Monster performance agad ang pinapakita ni Motor Mike Phillips mga idol sa kanyang debut game sa NPBL para sa team ng San Juan Knights. Veteran point guard ni si Brian Heruela na sa team na ng Cebu para pangunahan ang Cebu Grits. Nandoon pa rin ang dating key players tulad nila Paul Desiderio at Mike Meneses. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Cebu Grits versus San Juan Knights.
Dito sa ating season ng MPBL. So see how many more touches he'll get throughout the game.
Yung Cebu, no? They really countered with a big lineup as well. Meneses knocks down the three against Quekete. Phillips with the offensive rebound. He goes to Orlan Wamar.
Nice pass.
Phillips inside. The drop to Calisan. The feed for Phillips. Young banging bodies with Calisan. Alvin, no. Rebound. Camacho for two.
Solo.
Itul, revamp. Ewan ko.
Dami nagpabata rin ako.
Upgrade. That's the first basket for Mike Phillips. So welcome to na papunta siya dito. So he was looking for a sign for sure. As Meneses has been showing us his
Standstill na rebounds, no? Talagang habol sa bola, eh.
Mike Phillips finding the angle. 4 points and 4 basketball. Desiderio. Back to Meneses. The flyby. The three. Good.
Papakita na ng range.
Even better look. A good thing Mike Phillips is there. 5 points and 5 rebounds for Motor Mike. Abadiano. Yes.
And that ball continued to be a hot potato. Talagang hindi bumababad sa kamay ng isang player. Meantime, Ruela here trying to attack downhill.
Camacho all alone. Yes. Ruela. Turn around. He puts it in.
It's nice na meron tayong ganyan mga talk show for talk about the MPBL, especially the players here. See right there by Jerry Abadiano.
Pero nakakatuwa kasi mas nakikilala natin yung mga teams na mga players natin. Brian Heruela. Poppable.
Oo.
Stops on the dime and turns around and puts it in. But what about Aro Dalancon? Abadiano from the corner. Yes, sir.
This is where they're most deadly. And
Mike Abadiano sees daylight, and that's Abadiano has had the hot hand. Hindi nahanap ni Torres. Instead, he finds Soberano, and it's the same result. Phillips unable to finish. Camacho outjumps Phillips, but it ends up with Raul Soy.
that extension of their possession.
Camacho, good catch. Finishes with a reverse.
How about Simon Camacho? I can take this from this range.
Arminion, no. Camacho with a cleanup job.
Fresh, not today.
But the shots have been falling for San Juan. Clock and shot clock.
This really is a two-man action here.
Phillips, wow, tapped the gangon, able to break it up. All coming here in the second period. Arminion lost the handle. And Macho, and the foul on Calisan. And then the same ball.
So that was a defense. Nice pass.
Oh, wow. No, Phillips rebound. Sampung rebound na para kay Mike Phillips. Calisan. Calisan finds a way through. 6 in the game para kay Mike.
At a while, itong si Mark after exploding for a couple of triples. Nice drop. Left it for Mike Calisan underneath.
And Brian Heruela, mid-range game, alive and
Kita mo rin dito kay Brian as he tries to lead. And another spectacular pass, the Orlan Wamar to Mike.
Camacho gets it to Meneses, offline. Beijong blocked by Motor Mike. Meneses tries and succeeds. Heruela. Desiderio gets away, layup, got the roll.
Ball able to break down that defense. Quekete, meantime, launches a wing three and he knocks it down.
Desiderio gets a gap, gets a separation, and knocks down the
Really staying behind and allowing the big guys to run that transition.
Escocio cuts, layup, soft touch. Arminion waits for Becca. Val Becca. Kyle Tolentino, mukhang maganda yung mga pinag-usapan nila doon.
Ano na itong mga Jensen Warriors, I think, as always, good move by Raul Soyo, little up and under. Getting
Trying to take on Mecca. 2 seconds. Alarcon. Shot, no. Doesn't work. Meneses drives. Pamalantira.
natutunan na tayo to start the game. Oh, steal by Andre.
Arminion. Foul. Count the basket. Taken away by Mark Meneses. Ruela is open. A 3 on the way. Got it.
Gusto mo doon yung nag-stay pace.
Meneses with the rebound. Arminion leaking out. Arminion lays it in. Phillips.
Nice move.
Oh, nice pass inside to Raul Soyud.
Oh, wow. Ano na? Teka.
Orlan Romar.
Yes.
Meneses again with a cleanup job.
Boy, these rebounds are piling up for Mike.
Calisan for 2. Desiderio, catch and shoot. Yes.
Ang mga buhangin sa ano eh.
Talaga kanina sa ano?
Sa buhok eh. Oh.
Ito walang buhak. Oh, the Brian Heruela is cramping.
Oh, he's
Right
down.
here.
Right.
Ron Dennison for 3. Oh my. That should do it. 81-73 San Juan. But their prized acquisition in the offseason, Mike Phillips leading the way as they pick up their second straight win against the Cebu Greats. Cebu short-handed today, fought extremely hard, pulled to within 5 down the stretch, but
Let's have basketball, we never fall. Red Tats basketball, we stand tall. Red Tats basketball, we play it right. Losers are sore heads, we fight the fight. Oh, yeah. Dribble and shoot with all your might. Defend the court with all your fight.